Okay, so I drew a picture on the board for you to look at, but what I was trying to illustrate in the picture is if you look at this is my final timeline for the digital design pathway. The first steps that you should always do should be this and these and this. Here we go. So this was like the opening photograph, right? You can see it in the preview panel. This was the first video, and I had already trimmed it. The second video trimmed from the beginning and the end to get rid of my voice in it. The third video trimmed. The fourth video trimmed. And then slide two, and I'll show you, slide two, slide three, and then slide four. So this is always your first priority is to get that timeline right there in the middle correct. Then, after you've gotten the timeline in the middle correct, then you can work on video slot number two, and that should be then, the photos that you decided to overlay, which you can see here's the photos that are over the top. Then part three was then you put the audio in at the bottom. So step one is basically this right here. Step two is the step up here. Step three then was to put the music in. Step three is the one that I'm going to probably have to give some repeated but explicit instruction on when we reach the due date for this project. But this is what your timeline should look like, and this right here, the middle part should be the first part you take care of, and then video two is the second part you take care of. Audio is part three.